Welcome to this lesson on the relationship between ISO PAS 8800, ISO 26262, and SOTIF. When you're working on AI for road vehicles, you aren't just looking at one rulebook. Instead, you're looking at a trio of standards that work together to ensure safety. First, there's ISO 26262, the foundation of functional safety. It's all about making sure things don't break, no short circuits or software crashes. ISO PAS 8800 helps here by providing the specific steps for AI systematic development that 26262 doesn't cover in detail. Then we have SOTIF, or ISO 21448. This is about performance limits, like a camera being blinded by the sun. Since AI is often the thing having those performance limits, ISO PAS 8800 provides the deep dive technical guidance on how to train and test those models to minimize those risks. Think of ISO PAS 8800 as the specialized AI manual that plugs into the existing automotive safety ecosystem. It bridges the gap between high-level safety goals and the complex, data-driven world of machine learning. By the end of this course, you'll see how these three standards create a comprehensive safety net for the next generation of vehicles.